Hello and welcome to Let's Spoon Barbecue, homemade chicharrones or cracklins. Let's make them. Okay, first off, you need like $1.50 or $2 worth of pork skins. I'm gonna remove the dyed part because it was kind of saturated with the number of the pig, but any which way. I'm cutting them into, I would say 1 inch by 2 or 2.5 by 5 centimeter little pieces, and then washing them off, bringing them to a boil, and boiling them for 2 hours just to remove any impurities and also some if there are any leftover hairs or anything. After they've been boiling for 2 hours, I'm washing them until the water is completely clear, and as you can see, they kind of gel-like. Okay, onto my dehydrator for about 20 hours and just let them be there. And this is what they look like once they come off, and sound like as well. Anyway, taking a few of them, I have a huge bag here as you can see. Throwing one into the oil, it's about 350 or 175 Celsius, and it actually crackles up or expands very, very quickly. So throwing a few in there just to check them out. And of course that's why they're called cracklins, as you can hear. Anyway, this is real time, so they really do, not anymore, but it was when they were crackling. Okay, on to some paper on a sheet pan and some salt and garlic roasted pepper, and comparison, a picture and taste. There we go, chicharrones or cracklins or pork rinds or whatever. Let's try them. I mean, for $2, a whole bag. I only fried about 15 of them. This is gonna last for a while. It's so worth it. It really is so worth it. And it's Keto. Thank you for watching. Bye.